weirdo. They can't see you yet. Well, that's fine. You can do that. That's funny. So today, myself and the inchworm. Whoa! We saw this neat thing on Facebook. Looks like a good science experiment where we're going to take a battery and we're going to flip it upside down and we're going to see if we can get copper to spin around it. He's a little tired and he shouldn't be tired. What time is it? It's like 5.
I think it's 5.
It's around 5. He burned out his brain today playing nothing but Minecraft. But yeah. So we're gonna make without further ado, we're gonna make a battery-powered, magnet-operated copper thing. You were trying, yeah, but you said you wanted to help. I know you were watching Minecraft videos on the TV. You said you wanted to help me make a video.
No, by myself. Why are you? When it's not.
That's right. I was doing work.
Not starting.
Well, of course. What? No, we're making a video. See the light? Yeah, you're right. So I got some scrap wire from a leftover project. I threw the battery somewhere. Chris, here's the battery. Yep.
It's supposed to be a white one.
A what?
It's supposed to be a white.
A light?
White.
White.
Yeah, white.
I could probably use a knife. I don't have a knife. Not that kind of knife, Chris. I need a utility knife, and the utility knife is downstairs. So, yeah. Yeah, so we'll use this instead, because the first thing we gotta do is strip some wire. Whoa! I got a crazy kid tonight. Chris, are you feeling crazy?
Yeah.
Yeah. He hasn't had any sugar today. Maybe he's a sugar addict and he's dealing with withdrawal. They can't see that. He's got his foot up in the air. At least I don't think they can see. Chris, come over here and put your foot in the air over here. Maybe you'll stink them out with your stinky feet. They can't see that, Chris. They can't see that. Well, now they can sort of see you. You guys see that? Alright, so we got some wire here. This stuff's really hard. I'm not joking either, it really is tough. Usually I dent it and try to, sometimes I can break through it. Depends on my pliers. This is 12 gauge wire for the house. It holds the shape very well around the battery. And the first thing we need to do is, I guess we don't really need to strip the wire because we have the ground wire here that's already stripped. And Kitty Cat is over here. I don't know. I don't think she's in the shot, but Kitty Cat's over here. Here's a kitty cat. See, I gave her this to play with, so she's having fun with that. Mama just got off work, so she's in the other room just avoiding as much of this as possible. This is like a daily thing right here. So, and she's normal, and we aren't. So, it looked like on the video, so Colby shared it, my brother-in-law, and you know, it turned into a science experiment for the family here. Where'd that go? Did you see where that goes? Chris, right there. Chris, pick that up, right there. Yeah. He hit it with his hand. No, not that. No, it's a little piece of brown, right?
I can see it.
Sometimes if you want a job done right, you gotta pay someone. Okay, so we want the battery to stand up, and it looks like my little mount, my standing mount isn't going to work. No. Okay, so let's try that again. We'll do it better. He's knocking my wires around. Here, this is for the kitty. There you go, kitty cat. Well, there went the camera. Kid took it out, and that's okay because the experiment didn't work out anyways. So I decided to put this up anyways because I thought it was pretty funny, and if nothing else, an example of daily life. You know. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.